Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have a video of some off-roading with some four-wheelers I did recently, and you're going to get to see how much abuse the V-Strom 650 can actually take. It might surprise you. Enjoy! After a short burn of some very nice smooth dirt, we were off into our first little four-wheeler trail. And not long after that, we came across our first water crossing, which I stopped for a second to ponder, but with some words of encouragement from the folks behind me, I pressed on without issue. After some time in the woods, things opened up into a nice green field. I was hoping we were going left, but we were going right. So I spun her around real quick and caught on up. They were eyeing a trail on the left, which I was relieved that we were not going down. Up next was a water crossing that went up just about to my knees, so I was more than happy to let the four-wheelers go ahead of me on this one. After this, it was pretty slow going, with a bunch of mud and a hill climb thrown in for good measure. I quickly came to realize that people who don't drive motorcycles don't know how hard it is to keep one upright when you're driving slow.
I just need to let them get up first. I just got to keep it off my brake.
Oh, right. Yeah, that makes sense.
Otherwise, I'm looking at an expensive repair. Plus, they're moving a little slow. Copy that. Son of a... Next time you can come turn my bike around.
No, I just point and say there's another trail we can try sometime. Follow us. We're all getting lost together.
Sounds like great fun. I'd say it's not been too bad so far. I haven't even nearly got stuck. Here.
Careful on that tree up ahead.
Yeah.
four-wheeler that way, there's perfectly good road. Another 100 yards.
Let go of that clutch. Let go of that clutch.
No, that way.
I know.
I know. All the way up.
On the left?
Stay on this side because there's a couple of...
This side or this side?
This side over
Okay.
here. Because there's a couple of fucking holes that I don't know if you'll be able to find your bike after you.
Okay, copy that.
We all needed the exercise, though. Yeah. Nothing to it.
Won't be any worse than Peter and Dale's, he said.
Well, the thing is, it's different. It's the fucking mud is so slurpy.
Yeah.
We can get you up on that side. You should be able to.
The left side, yeah.
Yeah, you got to stay on this side. Because there's a fucking big hole. You got no choice, Jeremy. It's only so wide. But
What up over that left, that berm? What's up over that left berm?
a mud hole. But on this side, it's a great big mud hole.
Oh.
This
How long's your tow rope?
Probably
8 feet, I guess. Not that we could center it up, but
No, I mean, I just need to catch my breath.
yeah, but
ready?
Come on, come on. How did it break?
I think this is the plastic clapped together.
Oh, fuck.
This up. Yeah. Yeah, you look at your mirror. Yeah, there you go. Maybe a little more, but
Ah.
I'm telling you, don't get any better.
Why don't I just go back, hit the road, and go home? I mean, if it's not going to get any better than this.
Well, yeah, like I'm telling you, you ain't even through the first. There's some fucking gruesome mud holes up there. I'll follow you back to the road if you want to do that.
I think that's the most reasonable thing to do at this point.
Yes, that was the most reasonable thing to do. So I hopped on the bike, beelined it out the way I came, and went straight for my buddy Jeff's, as he's always bailing me out of mechanical problems and cosmetic problems I find myself in after doing the dumb things I do, as you can see. So it was the entire subframe that had been twisted and contorted. So not only, if you look at it straight on, not only was the X and Y axis bent, but it was the Z axis, or the front to back, that was also bent. So I tore all the plastics off, and then after I gave it to Jeff, he used his charm and intelligence to put it back into the correct alignment, otherwise known as using a hammer. Anyways, the plastics never broke per se. I lost a plastic tab, and that was it. Like, the plastic took the brunt, and the whole subframe bent, which I don't think would have happened on any other bike. I think on any other bike, the plastic would have just shattered into a billion pieces, which talks to the build quality of the Suzuki. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, like it, and if you want to subscribe, I'm going to try and get one of these out every week. Thanks for watching.